Hi, I'm Ryan with Alight Analytics, and today we're going to talk about how CSS selectors can make dynamic tagging in Google Tag Manager easier. CSS selectors are one of the less utilized tools within Google Tag Manager, and what they're useful for is comparing triggers to elements in the markup of a page. While there's lots of documentation online through W3 schools and the like, it's very technical, and I recommend utilizing an extension for Chrome to make it a little easier. My favorite extension to make this easier is CSS Selector Helper for Chrome. You can add this to Chrome for free by downloading it under your extensions. Today, we've been asked to go ahead and tag the footer links on the Alight Analytics website. Now, normally we'd go through and just tag every single link, but that would be difficult. Instead, we're going to go ahead and use CSS selectors to make our job easier. Now that we've downloaded the CSS Selector extension, we can inspect an element that we want to tag. In the new tab, we can find a tree of every element that describes what we've just clicked. I know I want to trigger based off of links, so I'll choose A here. And then I know I want to choose links that are within the footer widget. By clicking the next button, I can scroll through on the website and see what this is referring to. And as I click through all 11 items, I can see that I'm grabbing what I want. Because I'm satisfied with this, I will go ahead and choose Selector to Clipboard to copy the CSS selector I've just made. Now, we'll go over to Google Tag Manager and create a new tag. We'll name it Footer Links. Create it as a universal analytics tag that we'll send to our own GA account and set it up as an event. I'll go ahead and set it up with a category of navigation, an action of footer links, and a label of the actual click URL that's being clicked. Then we'll set up a click trigger using the CSS selector we've just created. We'll name it Footer Links with a target of just links and fire on some clicks. Here we'll choose Click Element, and from this dropdown we'll choose Matches CSS Selector. Then we'll paste in the CSS selector we just made and choose to create the trigger and the tag. Now that that's created, we'll go ahead and put Google Tag Manager into preview mode and confirm that we've set it up correctly. We'll go back over to Alight Analytics website to refresh the page. And using the Data Slayer extension on Chrome, we'll confirm that what we've set up is what we're actually tagging. Here I've done some quick spot checking, and you can see that we're capturing the footer links now. You've just seen one way of using CSS selectors to make your job easier when working with Google Tag Manager. Of course, there are plenty of other ways to use this tool. Thank you for watching, and if you like what you've seen, feel free to check out our other videos on our YouTube channel.